Another Saturday, another hotel, and we are back to our favorite. We are now in Crystal Hotel again for this weekend. So ito ang aming room for today, for 2 days actually. So meron tayong lutuan, meron tayong counter, at ayan ang ating mini living room. Of course, there's a TV, there's the couch, pero wala tayong view kasi ang pinito yung isang building. So ayan, walang view. At ang ating bedroom, actually gusto ko yung bed nila. Sobrang sarap, sobrang soft. Ayan pala, may partial view pala. Yan, partial view. Ito ang ating bedroom. King size bed. Sobrang lambot, my goodness. And yes, and of course, the cabinets or the wardrobe. Another TV, ayan. Sa harap ng bed, may TV tayo. And of course, ang ating toilet. At super laki ng toilet nila. As in, oops, sasakay ng timbang later. Ayan ang ating toilet. And kung madala tayong laundry, pwede tayo mag-laundry kasi may washer. And me again, medyo high blood ako ng konti. Buti na lang. Ito na lang nakabawi. Ayan, ayan. So, that's it. Happy Saturday everyone. Happy weekend. Bye-bye. Kakain kami ng madalian. Babush!